Good afternoon, everybody. Ito na naman si Jennifer. May i-share ako sa inyo ngayong hapon ang lettuce wrap na pinaka-favorito ng aking pamilya. First, iluto ninyo ang chicken separately and then i-add ninyo sa lettuce wrap like this. Well, paano natin i-wrap? Ang ating gagamitin ay si tortilla. We have to reheat ang ating tortilla for 20 seconds and then ilagay ninyo siya ng plato, ilagay ang dressing, lettuce, ang ating chicken, and vegetables. You wrap it like this. It's very simple, huh? Look at that. It's nice and simple. So, welcome to my channel. Ang ating lunch ngayon, guys, is wrap. And very nutritious, you guys, and very easy to prepare. And we'll start it. We'll start digging. So this chicken wrap is very easy to prepare. There's a lot of tortilla at the store. You can buy corn tortilla or flour tortilla. And for our sauce, guys, this is yogurt. You can just add yogurt and Greek yogurt or whatever plain yogurt you have. Yogurt, mayonnaise, salt, garlic salt, pepper, and hot sauce. But if you're very conscious about calories, guys, you omit the mayonnaise. Dahil si mayonnaise is very fattening siya. So ayan siya. It's up to you if just garlic salt or you add with mayonnaise and everything's okay. So you can adjust your dressing. Just let your kids slice the vegetables, involve them, guys, so that they will eat vegetables. This is a good thing. Involve them. Let them slice the tomatoes, onions, cucumber, lettuce. Let them slice and they will eat it. Dahil sila nag-slicing. Tomato tortilla, this is the remaining of the one that we used before. So since it's already thawed, I just reheat this one for 45 seconds. Ayan siya. So good. It's like the chicken wrap at Chick-fil-A. So healthy, easy to prepare, and very nutritious. So yung kasamahan ko, guys, nauna na silang kumain, tapos na sila, and then si mami na dahil nagbihis pa ako. So ganyan kami, guys. Either kakain kami and then zip yung mga bunganga nila dahil ayaw nilang makiani, magkasali, or mauna ako or mahuli ako. Ganyan na kami dito. Well, guys, tapos na ang ating pa-lunch na chicken wrap. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Tapos na ang ating lunch, guys. Nasarapan talaga sila sa aking chicken wrap. Walang sinabi si Chick-fil-A. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Don't forget to comment below if you like chicken wrap. Comment below, and thank you. Sa ating chicken naman, isutay lang natin siya, guys, hanggang maluto. Lagyan natin siya ng bell pepper para masarap naman siya, diba? It's up to you, guys, kung ano i-season ninyo. Basta meron ako mga extra mga vegetables, yan ang ginawa ko at yan ang sinali ko sa ating chicken. Sa ating filling naman, mga extra vegetables, meron tayo ditong cucumber, tomatoes, onions, avocado, and huwag kalimutan, guys, ang ating lettuce. Importante din si lettuce. Either i-lay ninyo si lettuce or i-slice ninyo ang lettuces. Ayan siya, guys. Perfect sa ating lunch. Sa ating salad dressing naman, very simple lang siya. Merong mayonnaise, plain yogurt, black pepper, garlic salt, and hot sauce. So, ayan siya guys. Very simple lang siya. Kung meron kayong hot sauce dyan or wala, it doesn't matter. It's up to you guys. Pero gusto ko yung medyo hot ang ating chicken wrap. So, ayan ang ating recipe sa ating dressing.